Good morning, everyone. I wanted to share with you guys something that I've been doing since the start of 2020, and I have been juicing. Have fresh celery juice and apple juice. Fresh celery and apple juice. Tastes delicious, gives you lots of energy, and it's healthy. It's good for you. So right now I'm going to put this in a cup, or I'm just going to store this in the freezer, let it chill, and then sip it. Celery and apple juice. I don't drink coffee anymore. This is what I drink. Delicious, it's fresh. Please try this recipe. If you have a juicer, please try this recipe.